Users. So you may want to give one of your colleagues access to Horizon so they can use it too. And you may also want to give them a specific set of permissions for using the product so they can do certain things but not other things. So you do all of that through the Add New User screen. You get to that either from the home screen here by clicking on Add New User or clicking on the grey admin button. So let's do that. And in admin, the first screen you see is a user screen. And what we've got here is a listing of all your existing users. And from here you can view their details, you can update them, you can unlock their account. So if they've entered their password incorrectly 3 times, Horizon will temporarily lock their account, and you'll see that password then changes from unlocked to a locked one. Just click on the icon, it will unlock it again, and you can also delete an account you no longer need. So let's click on Add New User, and the first thing we need to do is give this user a username, which is what the username they'll log in with. It's best and easiest if you can use their email address for this. It makes managing users much more straightforward. So let me add this user's email address and also add that to their email address field down here, and I'll give them a name, Fred. So the next thing I can do is add a Twitter account for them, which gives them permission to, or gives Horizon permission to publish tweets to that Twitter account. You can either do this for your new user here, or later on, once they've logged in, if they click on Manage My Account, they can add their own Twitter account then. So I'll add click on Add Twitter Account, and it brings up a little pop-up box here, and I can see I'm already logged into Twitter as CreaseJeans1. All I need to do is click on Authorize App, and that's now given Horizon permission to publish tweets to that Twitter account. Okay, so once we've done that, we need to set their login password. So I'll click on Set Security Details. Horizon will also tell you whether it considers a password to be strong or weak. Always good to use a strong password if you can. And again, there is a separate set of permissions around setting your password policy. Won't go into that now, but we have separate instructions on that. Click Set, and finally we need to give this user a set of permissions. So this really determines what they can and can't do within Horizon. That's done through 2 things. One, setting their user role, and secondly, adding a license. So first of all, we'll select a role. Now you can define your own roles. Again, there's a separate video on how to do that. And it's through roles that you can really define at a very fine level of detail the permissions this user does or doesn't have. Once you've selected a role, you need to click on Add License to assign a product license to them. So here I'll just click on Horizon Professional, and I'll also give this new user access to my iModule and my SMS number. Select the licenses you want, click Add Selected, and then close, and finally save. So at this point, Horizon set up the new user account, and it will have sent them an email. So if I go on to Gmail here, to this user's Gmail account, and I can see here they've got an email from Horizon saying activate your account. If they open that email, there's a link they can click on to activate their account, at which point they'll be able to log in and start using Horizon. So there you go, users.